In this video, I will show you 3 ways to use scripts in Photoshop on Windows. The third method is best, so stick around for that. For Mac OS, see the link in the description for another video of the same instructions for Mac OS. The first method is to simply run the script. You can run scripts from any location, even a network volume, but to demonstrate, I'll use my Downloads folder as the location. Here I have a simple script, Add Guides to Selection. This script requires an image to work with. Scripts vary. Some require an image is open, others might have a button to select a folder or image, and then proceed from there. Also, this script needs a selection that it reads to know where to add the guides. For this example, I'll use Select Subject. With an image now open and area selected, we're ready to run the script. Go to the File menu, Scripts, Browse. Navigate to the folder where the script is located, in my case, the Downloads folder. Select the script and click Load. And the script runs. You can see the result. Guides have been added to the edges of the selection. This method works fine for a script you want to run one time, but for a script you expect to use often, repeating these mouse clicks every time is tedious. The second method adds the script to Photoshop, and then it appears in the Scripts menu. Open File Explorer. Locate the C drive and double-click to open it. Find the Program Files folder and open it. Open the Adobe folder. Look for the Photoshop folder and open it. Open the Presets folder. Within that is the Scripts folder. These are the scripts that are part of Photoshop. This is where the scripts go. Program Files, Adobe, Photoshop, Presets, Scripts. Open the folder where the desired script is located. In my case, the Downloads folder. Copy the script to the Photoshop Scripts folder. If on the same drive, to copy hold the Control key while dragging. Otherwise, the file is moved. But if you want to move the file, don't hold the Control key. Your choice. Because the Photoshop Scripts folder is below the Program Files folder, you must authenticate for security reasons. Click Continue. And now the script is added to Photoshop. If Photoshop is open, you'll have to exit and relaunch it for the script to appear. We'll do that now. Again, this script requires an image and a selection. So let's set that up as before, same image, and use Select Subject. Go to the File menu, Scripts, and now you can see the script is in the menu. Select the script and it runs as before. A little better than method 1, but next is even better. The best way to use scripts in Photoshop is with actions. With this method, keep in mind the script file should be parked where you expect it to stay, because if the script file is moved later, that breaks the action. The location you choose could be anywhere, even a network volume, but to demonstrate, I'll select my user folder as the location. Here I'll add a folder named Scripts and put the script there. Now the script is parked where it will stay. Go back to Photoshop and prepare to run the script. Like before, in this case we need an image open with a selection. This step is important because the action is only recorded if the script succeeds. If for some reason the script fails because of an error, nothing is recorded. Now we're ready to run the script. Open the Actions panel. You may already have an action set for scripts. If not, you can make one now. Click the Actions panel flyout menu. Select New Set. Give it a name, for example, Scripts. You may name your new action set however you like. With the new set selected, again click the flyout menu, and this time select New Action. We'll call this one Add Guides. Again, the choice is yours. Click Record. Now every mouse click is recorded. Note the Record button is active. Remember, anything clicked now is added to the action. Only click what you want in the action. Like before, go to the File menu, Scripts, Browse. Navigate to the location of the script file. In this case, I have it in my User folder, Scripts folder. Select the script file and click Load. If all goes well, the script should run. Notice the action is still recording. You need to stop it or other mouse clicks will keep getting added. As long as the script didn't get an error, the action should now be complete. So let's try it out. We'll back up the history to where the image was ready for the script to run. Now go back to the Actions panel, select the action, and click the Play button. There it is. As you can see, that was much fewer mouse clicks. You may also assign a function key to the action that runs the script. In the Actions panel, double-click the blank area to the right of the action name. Action Options is displayed. Set the function key option as desired.